Okay, type 5, factor by grouping. I'm going to have 4 terms. So we're practicing each type twice. Step 1 is always the same. Set it equal to 0. 3x cubed minus 1x squared plus 6x minus 2 equals 0. And then we're going to throw it in a box. And step 2 was to notice there was no GCF. I should probably write that down. Okay, step 3 is we're going to factor it. Now, I'm going to put this in my calculator now just to see what kind of answers I should have. So that's 3x to the third minus 1x squared plus 6x minus 2. And, oh, that's kind of interesting. It looks like it's only going to cross one time. As long as I typed everything in right, it looks like it's only going to cross one time. So that probably means my other answers are imaginary. So it's 3 solutions. It's probably just going to cross. One is going to be real. Again, unless I type something in wrong. So here's 3x cubed. Here's my minus 2. Here's my negative 1x squared. Here's my 6x. GCF x squared. GCF plus 2. GCF 3x. GCF minus 1. Now what we're going to do is throw that in the factored form. So 3x minus 1. X squared plus 2. These are both going to equal 0. So 3x minus 1 equals 0. 3x equal 1. X equals 1/3. And sure enough, that's my real solution. And if you look at the graph, that's where it crossed at 1/3. And now for my other solutions, I can see that they are going to be imaginary. So if x squared plus 2 equals 0, that's x squared equals negative 2. So that when we take the square root of both sides, we get x equals a positive and a negative I, because of the negative, square root of 2. There's my other 2 solutions. So positive and negative I square roots of 2, which is why we only saw it crossing one time on the x-axis. The last one is our word problem. What are 3 consecutive integers whose product means multiply, is 480 more than, that means we're going to add something, their sum. Sum means add them. Let's call the first integer x. The word consecutive means right in a row. So like if the first one's x, the second one's x plus 1. And then the third one is one number up, so x plus 2. So there's the first one, the consecutive, and the consecutive. Let's take a look at our equation. And by the way, we are going to use our calculator on this. Product. So it wants me to take these things and multiply them. So here's x times x plus 1 times x plus 2. So there's the product. There's our equal sign. It's 480 more than, well, what is it 480 more than? Their sum. So I'm going to have to take x plus 1, so I have the first number plus the second number, plus x plus 2. Did you leave yourself enough room? Because I barely did. Let's combine our like terms. Since we're using your calculator, there is no reason for you to distribute those together. So it's going to be 3x and 483 when we combine. Now we're going to set this equal to 0. So we'll have x with x plus 1 and x plus 2. There's no need to put those together. Minus 3x minus 483 equals 0. Let's put that in our y equals in our calculator. I have the door open and kids are coming down from lunch, so hopefully everybody uses their nice words. X times x plus 1, x plus 2, minus 3x minus 483. And let's see where it crosses the x-axis. Oh, they are very loud. Sorry. Oh, boy. Okay, so let's take a look. It does cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It crosses at 7. So we can write x equals 7. Yay, that's our first number. So if x equals 7, that must mean x plus 1 is 8. And the other number, x plus 2, is 9. 7, 8, and 9 are my solutions.